Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of our brand new 2021 Sea Ray SLX 280. So we start here at the transom in the rear of the boat. You'll notice a very large swim platform. This swim platform is also equipped with sea decking, which is a great option. Comfortable to the feet, very nice to have. You'll also see here, this is a very large sun pad. If you want to hang out here, get a tan, or these flip up if you'd like to watch the people in the water swimming and keep an eye on things. It does that great as well. So you step into the boat, one of the things you'll notice about this boat is the conveniently located battery switches. Right here as you step on, hit your batteries, you're ready to go. Next to it is a remote switch for your submersible swim platform, which we will highlight when we take a walk around the outside of the boat. Coming into the cockpit, you'll notice the infinity woven vinyl carpet in brown. Again, very great option, very comfortable to the feet. This boat is equipped with black canvas tower. Look back over here. You have room for a cooler. Take this out with you, bring it home, fill it up for a day on the water. Or you also have an onboard fridge. Great little options. Storage underneath all these seats here. So you step up to the helm station, very large helm chair, big enough for 2 people. This chair will also move forward or back depending on what your comfort is. 2 large multi-function Simrad display screens. All your toggle switch for your lights and all the other factors of the boat you may need. Fusion stereo. To the port side, this chair does also move forward and back and swivels as well. Great size head on the port side here. Very big for a 28-foot boat. You step to the bow. 2 large lounge chairs with armrest if you want to sit sitting forward, or if you're just here to entertain, you can sit plenty of room with people. Very safe, very deep bow area. Spot for your anchor up here. Next, we'll step down, we'll take a walk around the outside of the boat so you see the hull and the submersible swim platform we spoke about. So you start from the front, you can see this boat comes with the Sea Ray blue hull. Great looking, especially with the black canvas package. And as you step around, you'll see there's a submersible swim platform we spoke about earlier. Really is a great boat. The SLXs are fantastic. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in our inventory at Huntington, please give me a call. My name is Josh. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.